Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Vlogmas day 16. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, hope you stick around. And for our returning subscribers, hi, welcome back. Thank you for your support. We're about to go on the road. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and please click that notification bell so you could be notified whenever I post a video. We're going on the road and we're gonna see. We're gonna do grocery shopping here. So come along with us, guys. We are going to stop at Walmart first to grab some necessities. What do you call it?
Necessities.
Yeah, necessities.
We'll go and we're gonna start extra lessons early, okay?
Shut up your mouth, Ricky.
Do it dance, baby. Your favorite toilet paper, Charmin.
Don't stop with me. What is that one of the cheaper?
Yeah, but stick to what you love. It's a better value for your money.
Better value. That's that. You know, we gotta buy things to clean the bathroom. Yeah. So for me, when I'm buying stuff to clean the bathroom, I know if it not knock me up, I don't want it. Come along, come along. Check out my house, guys. This is my storeroom where I keep all of my, you know. Yeah. See the problem with it. You know, so them start to like pink something in everything now. Y'all know, guys, the pink thing. Inside root and blind. I want them to buy that one instead of the other one. The Lysol. This guy is really good. Maybe I should buy it. Oh. I need, yeah, this really good. Oh, remember your reviews on this one? Car. Which one of them? All of them are the same scent? Looks like. Looks like it.
Yeah.
Looks like it. You can pause it down in American. No.
Alright. So we'll try the Jack Daniels cake. Now we're gonna try the Baileys.
Look at the traffic to go back home. I wouldn't want to be me right now. Plus the rain I found. Guys, the thing about winter time, the place just look bleaky and dead and sad. I don't like that. I don't like that. But we reach at the farmers market. Want me carry?
No, me don't carry.
Yeah, we're there at the farmers market. But for grab some, you know, with Caribbean stuff. Yeah.
Grab this.
Ricky, you like guava?
Yeah, maybe see. I wonder if we're another one.
Mr. People, the cane did nice and sweet. So I'm going to take up watermelon and strawberry. And I also need blueberries too. Because Sapphire likes it. Pick up some plantain. I want to make cereal, so I go buy. How much am I buy? 2?
What?
Cereal.
Cereal?
2 bags. Come on, no. I have to go 2. Guys, I'm even sell pork head. What the heck? Ricky, Patty. Pick up 2 bucks. Look at this poor pig. Come with the cat.
Would you like some nutriment?
This tastes so good, guys.
How many?
Come. Gaia Malta. No, like the Malta, Jamaica. I don't see it.
Actual Malta.
Where there?
Malta.
I know this one, yeah?
Yeah, but
A different brand, this brother.
This Malta, look the only one that don't say liquor pack with 69.
India.
So
Listen to me, just take up that one now. I know this one that tastes good.
Well, Gaia, that's Spanish, so
Come on,
we
pick it up.
Spanish, Jamaican, Indian.
I'm not seeing a Jamaican one.
So
So
just
come.
fix up which one you want. You want me, you want Ricky.
The funny thing, my kids, they seen this thing on, I guess, TikTok or one of them places there, where them use the ramen noodle and crunch up and eat it. So I seen this and I was like, maybe I should get this. They have a lot of like Korean snack and food and all them type of stuff there. Look on this. Like things that you would see on TikTok. You know? These two, you know? Who really do this? So this is all of the groceries that we bought. Plus over here, so. And I'm gonna cook this now. And some white rice that I'm gonna cook now. Quick and fast. You understand? Yeah. So guys, outside, yeah, just water. Oh, we forgot to buy water. Sorry, can't buy water right now. I'm going to start cooking, and I want to do it quick and fast. Almost said me I could say again. What was I going to say? Oh, outside. Outside is giving. Stay home. What are you doing outside? That's what it's given, but and I'm pantry empty now. But I'm gonna pack up my cookie food and show you while yeah. So me change. I think I'm gonna change my top. I'm gonna put on my apron. Come on, I wanna mess up my top. Come I can't have a change. But yeah. I'll cut them in half. Oh. I'm gonna cut them in half. Like that. You know, yeah. Them already clean them up. smells very fishy. It's very fishy, ain't it? It's the scent alone that I would want to eat this. I want to do the vinegar in there. Getting. Oh my god. It smells so bad. I'm gonna use lime and wash it. I wash this boat. I'm gonna wash it around 3 times. So the scent can really come out, even though I know I saw it normally smell. I saw it normally smell, but I'm gonna try to get rid of most of the scent, you know. Guys, I wanted to make black cake, but I couldn't find no fruits. Maybe I have to go to the other Jamaican restaurant. I'm not sure it would have the rightness though. So maybe in the week, because I wanted to bake it before Christmas, you know. So maybe in the week I try to go up there, because Ricky gonna be on the road. Yeah, so maybe then I'll, you know, do it. Put the seasoning in it. I'm now going to add this to it and some curry. I'm sorry, I never have no better pack curry. I need some spicy, so when I really want to go all deep, because we don't have to put hot pepper and the kids are gonna eat it. You know, I want it to be spicy, but not that spicy. I'm making curry crab and white rice. Chris said, sounds good? Sounds good, Chris? You want to say hi to the vlog?
Hello.
Yep. Put some pimento. Hopefully something spicy with it. But anyways, we will want it seasoned, well seasoned. Spicy. Burn the curry. And then we're gonna drop it in, because also, guys, I have the rice over here. We just put it on. So by the time everything done one time, you know. I want to see it good enough. Trouble in a pot, you know. Alright. Let's go back. Let's do a taste test. Ricky, you want your one down? Or you have to finish this? See it around. Be careful with around the water. Need another plate. Look for another plate. It is so spicy.
I know, right?
Please. One. Or two of them. Thank you. Ricky. Pause over this song. Turn off that vent there. Load.
So, heat now, heat now, them thing I was going to say that,
And guys, I'm gonna finish grub. Hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below.
hit the notification bell.
Yeah, do the right thing, okay? See y'all in Vlogmas day 17.
Sure.